Minisito kuragiroku yakora ubyaba narambura umwanya ogu ashendekerezibwo mwishengero w'abantu bishaze lyafumbira North Fortune Habyara Gatare hamwe na n'intumwa ya president mu district ya Tsoro hamwe na bebembezi ba district yejo batera abakuru ku rwo ministry y'ibyo bwigabo mwitakana na bebyo kwerinda amukutaya yo ku minister Nyamutoro arebiro bushurizi oburukoreka ngo hariho ebyo kuhiga ibyo bwigabo mwitako mwanya ogu oburukwende biragiro kandi araganisa ngo government nejagaraho buteka hamwanya ogu nanoko hakanisa amakuru agarukoreka ngo abeka ya sebuhunguririza Boniface bakatwara umwanya ogu.
The efforts we can to make sure that we revive Kira to become bigger and better.
Bari hano kubahamiriza ngo ibyiringiro bikomeze bibeho kirwa ntaho yagiye nta naho yenda kuja ahubwo igiye kuba kirwa yindi yo mwari muzi yariteye imbere.
Minister ahamize abantu ba Nyarubuye hamwe na Busanza ngo ministry neja kuronda investor arahebwe barha eyo kuhiga ebyo bwigabo mwitaka omwanya ogu rero abecweke kibabase gobora ombyo bwegebi.
We do not have any communication with the Sebuhingiriza family and we shall not.
Bomba ministry yibicukurwa kana hamwe ho bafitaga kwate no na family ya Sebuhingiriza kandi ntabo bizigera biba.
We are going to get a very competent investor that will be able to have the financial muscle to redevelop the mine, and we are going to work with you all through the process.
Minister Nyamutoro azirengu abantu abari umwanya ogurumwe byo bwigabo mwitake ibintu beja kurihirirwa konka abarhare nabo tebarkwija kwatwaho.
Who are there stay in the place. Which is okay. There's no one who's going to come and test you from an area that there are no minerals.
Arabasobanuriye burimo ntahari hatari bicukurwa hatari tini ntabwo bazabukura ahubwo hari tini ngo bazava.
Is that okay? Yes. There was a hand there. Yes.
Minister Nyamutoro agarukire yashobora ngo investor arkwija kuhebwa empatane yo kora murumogo na ija kushabwa okoregana n'abantu babutosha barkwiha ibyo bwigabo mwitaka.
The investor that we shall get to come on ground, we shall ensure as a ministry that there is collaboration between the investor and the local miners. That's for starters.
Kugambaho arkwehozaho ebiru kumugambwaho omnyishengero w'abantu bafumbira North Fortunate bya Ruhanga nagirangu wenko muntu abeire ataka kozire kintu cyona echo kwegobesa wenka kurwo mwanya ogo ngwebyo byone birugambwa nebishuba kandi nebihabisa omnyishengero ogu azirengu wetakatunga hoga omwanya ogu ninga gukoreramu ahubwo kwegobesa wenka omnyanyeji erkwihwamu ebyo bwigabo mwitaka eyakirwa ngogo wena aino bujurizi aburete
harakandi kantu kamfashe habi kuko mumbaga kumusonga muri kuvuga ngo muri iki kinombe fitemo muzita gikihari indani ufitemo indani nka 20. Honorable Minister, I am teasing them in Rufumbira that I have 20 mining holes down here and I'm a beneficiary of the illegal mining.
Fortunate ashabire abatura okora hamwe n'ebitongore bya government okurebeka ngo ebyo bwigabo mwitake ebi byabagashira kandi byagobeseza ekicweka cyona.
Iyi mining kuko nababyaga turi gushaka amajwi mining ibagiya government. Iri taka ryose tubicayeho government irishaka yarijana. Na hari aho nicaye wanje ariko iyo bahajanye baragushashuraga.
Ndiana Richard mukuru w'entebe ya Katana bwa district eya Tsoro ajumirire ebyo kwihebyo bwigabo mwitako burukuhende biragiro om district eje arukushobora ngo nkabatura bagoba omurundu gumwe na district ya Tsoro ruchiko rwa government zebicweka nabo bagoba mu kihango.
And if it cannot, then we are in problems. In one of the security meetings which I attended when I was the mayor of Kisoro municipality, the RDC lamented that it is a no-go-zone area. So it was not easy to go there. And he was the head of security. So I wondered what was happening there.
Rukundo Manesi aliyo muhezi wa mkuru w'abakozi b'emirimo district ya Kisoro aba government nashobora ngu Kisoro ejwire by'ubwiganya mwinji ebyajeherwe Ruhanga ngo konka abaruko bikosa ku bintu baretera district etagira kiyagasirwamo.
Aya ni kowa in Nyanamo Town Council and Bukibiri Sub-County. We also have Gorod in Rubuguri and Nyanamo Town Councils. We have Jamestown in Nguringo. We have Tin in Ruhangilo, in Kirundo, Busanza, Kanaba, and Limestone in Busanza.
Mbonimpa Dewo ari mukuru w'entebe yo kubanza ahabwe cyaro ecyakabaya agambire minister ngo kumara emyaka miringwa abiri atari kwikirizibwa kwikaha mwanyogo ngo hariho abantu babutosha ababire babaremesa okuhikaho abeka ya sebuhungiririza Boniface Rwabiti
nabi aradusiba aradukubita aratubonyabonya mayini ntiyayikoresha kuko bikwiye atangira kutunyaga imirimo arayihinga ku government ya Amini na Obote 2 atuvana umurimo bayituvanye mu byo bikureba amu 62 years.
Abantu bagira ngo abekeje nibo batwire nebategeka omwanyogo kandi barukugugoba mu bonka. Agarukire yashobora ngo eby'ubwiga bwo mwitaka ebiriyo mwanyogo okumara emyaka miringwa abantu babutosha babire batine kiba kubugobamo atiyo yasha abantu babutosha kwatanisa na government na nabarukutisa ebiragiro mu nkora okurebeka ngo habaho buringaniza aha mwanyogo.
Ariko iyi mayini idufiriye ubusa, iyi mayini ubukire bwacu ariko nta bukire tubonagamo. Nero gusaba minister ngo atubonere good investor.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Adonia Ayebare muri Kisoro ahabwa Tayari West.